Calculate the population of fruit flies at the end of 4 days if the population starts out at 24 flies per room and grows at a rate of 6.9% per day. The 6.9% is our CGR, and the 24 flies is our initial number. We're trying to find the change in number, so we need to rearrange our formula for CGR. The initial formula is CGR equals the change in number over the initial number. To rearrange it, we multiply the 1 times the change in number, and it equals CGR times the initial number. We need to do this 4 times to represent the 4 days that it is increasing for. So our first day, we take our change in number is 0.069, our CGR, times our initial number of 24 flies. We get an increase of 1.656 flies. Next, we need to find the number of flies at the end of the day. So we're going to add 24 with our increase of 1.656 for a total of 25.656 flies at the end of day 1. For day 2, we start with the same formula. It is the same CGR, but our new number of flies at the beginning of day 2 is the number that we had at the end of day 1, so 25.656. Our increase for day 2 is 1.77 flies. We're going to add that number to our number at the beginning of day 2, which is 25.656, to get our total at the end of day 2, which is 27.426 flies. Day 3. Start the same way. We have our change in number equals the CGR, which is 0.069, times it by 27.426, which was that number at the end of day 2. Our increase for day 3 is 1.892 flies. We're going to add that to our number at the beginning of day 3, 27.426, for a total of 29.318 flies. We are almost there. Last time, we'd find our change in number, which is our CGR times 29.318. So our increase on day 4 is 2.023 flies. We're going to add that number to our number at the beginning of day 4 to find our total number of flies, which is 31.34. We need to state our answer as a whole number, so it is 31 flies. To check our work, we can use the formula that is similar to the compound interest formula. So the total is the initial number times 1 plus the CGR to the power of time. So putting in our numbers, 24 times 1 plus 0.069 to the power of 4 for our 4 days. And we get 31. So we were correct.